Hello everyone, dear friends, how you all doing today? You're welcome to another interesting Forex review, weekly review, right? Today we'll be looking at my favorite pet, right? The Great British Pound USD, the Euro USD, and of course the DSY, that is the dollar index. It's gonna be an interesting time while I learn teaching, and of course I hope you find something valuable that will help you in your trading journey. That is just, by the way, my name is Clinton. Of course, you can call me Trader Clint. Why you figure out which is best to call me, right? I will encourage you to smash the like button, subscribe if you are new, and share with friends and family. Without wasting much more time, let's go straight to the business of today. All right, so we'll start with the monthly time frame. What can you see? Of course, clearly it's downtrending. What is the downtrend? When price is making a series of lower lows and higher lows, right? What do I mean? Price is trending down. Price spiked down, then started channeling, making lower highs, lower low, lower highs, and of course lower low. That is simply downtrend, right? That is for the monthly time frame, right? And of course, monthly time frame might not be interesting for us if we are day trading, right? It's really for investors, right? Let me just say that. Okay, let's come back, right? That is downtrend. And of course, the weekly time frame, if we focus from year to year, is also downtrending. And of course, this current price action, what I am referring to is this, right? This is correcting this downtrend. Now, what can we see from this movement, right? We can see price is making a series of higher highs and higher lows, and that is uptrend, right? Uptrend is when price is making a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? That is clear enough. So at this moment, price is moving up in a corrective manner. That is to say, price is correcting this downtrend. Okay, then when we go to the daily time frame, what can we see? Of course, that is very relatively close to what we saw on the weekly time frame. I hope I'm right. Okay, so that is it. Now, what is the expectation? Right away, we are getting close to being specific, right? You can clearly see that there's a resistance level. That is why price is coming down at the moment, right? What is resistance? Resistance is inability of a price to move from, right, to break out of a level, right? Of course, I don't know if that's right. Come on, comment section below, let me know if you understand what I am saying. So this is a resistance level. Price is unable to break out of this level. Okay, so now what can we take out from this price? We already know that in the monthly time frame, price is down, right? Going down. And of course, in the weekly time frame, price is what is correcting the down move, right? And this corrective is a big uptrend for a lower time frame, right? For instance, this daily time frame, this is a big uptrend, right? Because price is making a series of higher highs and higher lows, right? We already know that, right? And if you go to the 4 hours time frame, the picture becomes clearer. Not that the picture becomes clearer, right? Sometimes it can be very confusing, but we zoom in, right? We zoom in, right? So we see more what price is doing. We can immediately see that pirate, yeah, is that all right? Yeah, of course, period to period, whatever you call it, to when price resisted at this level, price consolidated, right? Of course, that is a kind of a distribution model going right here for the Y curve student, right? So distribution going on right there, right? And of course, a sign of weakness, right? And if you pay very close attention to what this is, kind of copying the tutorial, right? It's supposed to be a review, but I'm just trying to give you a brief for benefit of those who don't understand, right? If you pay a very close attention, right, price make a high, higher low, higher high, right? Then price made a low, right? how do I know price made a low, right? Look at this level, right? If you look at this kind of a medium ABC, kind of medium ABC, I know why I said it's kind of medium ABC, because this will be considered as the major, right? Then the inner one is, let's say, medium, right? It doesn't really matter as long as you understand what I am trying to say, right? Price ought to have stayed above this, but price made a low, right? Immediately you see that, you know, okay, probably having something, sign of weakness is appearing already. Then price made a lower low, right? Then price made a low, right? Now we've seen a change in momentum, right? A change in what trend. Now you can safely assume that price will start making a series of what lower lows, and the price will start making a series of lower highs and lower lows. Kind of confusing. Don't be confused, right? It's very easy. So that is where we are, right? We can clearly see that price is not correcting that correction. Do you get it? Right? Price is correcting the weekly correction. That's what price is currently doing on a lower time frame, right? This is the correction, correcting this downward move, right? Now price is not correcting this correction. Get it? It's very easy. Okay, friends, so that is where we are, right, for the Great British span. It's from there you will now go to the lower time frame to, right, to zoom in and make informed decision for your trading. That is it, right? And of course, that's what I do sometimes, right, during the week. Yeah, I'm supposed to be doing it daily, but I have a life to live, friends, so I just can't keep it up, right? So, but I try as much as possible to do it daily, to narrow it down to the 15 minutes time frame for the benefit of everybody. I hope you're finding value so far. If you are, please smash the like button, subscribe. All right, friends, let's go back to the business of the day. We'll look at the Euro USD. Euro USD, of course, is similar to GU, or sometimes they don't move in accordance. Sometimes they move in variation, right? They are supposed to be positively correlated, but sometimes they are negatively correlated. Who knows? Probably the euro will have some bad news, the pounds will have some good news, and the pounds will be going up while the euro, you know, common sense. All right, so that is it. On the monthly time frame, you can also see the price is all down trend. All right, draw your trend. Interesting, right? Very easy to do. Price is going down. That is the benefit of the trend. You just trying to put it in the channel to see what price is doing. Now if you zoom, you can see price is correcting this move, and that will be more clearer if you go to weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, you can see this is the trend, and what is this currently doing? Correcting the downtrend, right? Then if you go to a daily time frame, what is price doing? Price is still uptrending, unlike the GU that price is already correcting, right? So price is still uptrending. Now what can you make of this uptrend, right? Of course, there are a lot of things you can, it depends on how you determine your market structure, right? For me, I would say this is a high, right? This is a higher low, right? This is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then price will make a higher low, right? At this moment, we don't know if price is going to make a lower high, then make a lower low. That signifies a daily time frame change in what structure, right? I hope you guys are getting the flow. Please, if you are, smash the like button, subscribe. Okay, that is it, friends. So on the 4 hours time frame, you can clearly see that price has what changed the market structure. depends on how you read your market structure. There's a variation, right? So for me, I would say, okay, this is high, right? This is higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then what just happened, man? This is now a low, right? Why is this a low? Is a low because it closed below this low right there. Then what should I expect? I should be expecting that price will make a lower high somewhere around this region for a move downward, right? Simple, right? Very simple, right? Very simple. Of course, if you are the head and shoulder pattern guy, you can also assume that head and shoulder pattern is gonna form right away. So that is for the EU. You see that it's really not difficult, right? Then when you have this overview in mind, you try as much as possible not to let it lead to what's it called? Is it analysis paralysis, right? Analysis paralysis, so that you don't let this all idea get crowded in your mind, right? The most important thing, or rather skills, you want to develop in your trading journey is your ability to maintain your state of mind, right? You need to have a strong state of mind. In fact, psychology is very, very important. You need to be able to roar. You need to have that lion heart to be able to think. It doesn't matter if you know that price is going to come here. If price goes there, can you take a position? You have the will. Of course, this is not an invitation for you to go click. This is just information. I'm not a license, whatever license you require to do this. I'm just someone who is passionate to share my knowledge, and of course I learn while I teach people, right? Of course, yeah, I'm learning communication skills while I'm doing this, so it's beneficial to me, and of course I hope it will be beneficial to you as well. So with that said, then you can zoom down to the 15-minute time frame, which I do. I already said that, so we don't need to keep repeating what we've said over and over again. So if you're enjoying this session, what do you need to do? Smash the like button, subscribe. All right, so let's go back to the business of today. Let's look at the DSY. By the way, friends, if there's any particular chart you want us to look at, any particular pair, right, please comment section below, right? If we have enough time, we will be looking at your favorite pair. But at the moment, looking at my favorite pair, and I hope my favorite pair should also be your favorite pair. Who knows? All right, so we'll start here the 4-hour time frame, right? During last week, we discussed that I was expecting that price will get to this level and reject, right? Price broke away, right? Broke away, and of course we are seeing another movement, probably correcting this downward movement, right? That's what I think. And of course I keep saying that don't expect price to go back to this zone, right? So, and from what we've said so far, you can clearly see price has been making a series of lower highs and lower lows, right? Lower high, yeah, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then what just happened? Price has changed structure on the 4-hour time frame, right? Price want to start making series of high highs. Is that possible? Of course, that is likely possible if price comes back, make a higher low, right? Then price make a higher high and maybe change structure again. Who knows? We're going to be following what price is going to be doing, right? So interestingly, friends, if you've been watching so far, I really appreciate. Smash the like button, and of course subscribe to this channel for more of this update, right? I said that we're going to do a what top, come on, what's that, down top analysis. All right, so the daily time frame, what I was saying, right? Daily time frame is still very bearish, right? I think it's off of daily time frame that I measured and discovered that price might likely not even get to this level again. I don't really know. I can go back to that right now, right? So down trading, right? You can immediately see price is downtrend, right? Is it not clear enough? Right, downtrend, right? And price is trying to correct this move, right? But on the 4-hour time frame, price, what price is doing, price just change structure, right? That is to say, there's possibility price might likely move upward, right? Oh, there's a resistance here, right? Resistance level. Will it break past this resistance level? Who knows? As the week goes by, and of course the bond goes, we know, right? We know, of course. So on the weekly time frame, you see is correcting this upward move, right? You can now see a difference between top-down analysis and down-top analysis, right? So that's it. It's not correcting this up move, right? And of course, monthly time frame you see is upward, and of course it's also correcting this upward move. Now I guess, I don't know, the resistance level might likely be a support level. Is this where I formed this idea from? Well, I don't really know. All right, so that's it, friends. So like I said, during the week we'll be going down to a lower time frame to be more specific. And of course, right, why did I forget that? My Telegram channel, right? I'll be posting free signal for everyone, right? Just go right away and sign up, right? Subscribe. It's free. No money at all. Everything is free. I'm giving everything for free. Will it continue to be free? It all depends, friends. Just go now that is free. All right, of course, I hope it continues to be free. All right, friends, I hope you've enjoyed this session so far. I'm really grateful I was able to do this, and of course, friends, to support me on this channel, I want to get to 1,000. Smash the like button, share with friends and family so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers. I know we can do it. Let's go do it. All right, see you next time. Bye for now.